Hello, I'm Valerie White, Interim Director of Public Health at NHS Dumfries and Galloway. As I'm sure many of you are aware, we are in quite a serious situation in relation to COVID-19 across Scotland, and we have seen an increase in cases across Dumfries and Galloway too. Each and every one of us is now in the front line in the fight against COVID-19, and we really all, each and every one of us, need to follow the guidance that's put in place because it's there to protect us. Each and every one of us needs to follow the facts guidance, face coverings in enclosed spaces, avoiding areas that are crowded, cleaning our hands, staying 2 metres apart from people out with our households, and self-isolating and booking a test if we have symptoms of coronavirus. We must also not visit each other's homes now. I'd like to talk to you a little bit more detail about the Test and Protect system. As I've said, if you have symptoms of coronavirus, it's really important that you and your household self-isolate and that a test is arranged. You need to do that until you get the results of the test. If you do get a positive result for coronavirus, it's really important that you self-isolate for a minimum of 10 days. Your household contacts must also self-isolate for a period of 14 days. The positive test result comes into our Test and Protect system, and you will then usually be called by one of our contact tracing team, and this can come up as an unknown number or an 0800 number, so it's really important that you do actually answer that call so that one of our team can speak to you. There are a number of measures that the team go through so that you know that it is a genuine call from the Test and Protect team. So the contact tracing team will talk to you about your symptoms of coronavirus, when they developed, and who you've been in contact with when your symptoms developed, and 48 hours before, because you can actually still be infectious 48 hours before you develop symptoms. In addition, they might actually ask you some questions about where you've been in the last 14 days, and that's us trying to work out where you might have got this infection from, just to see if there's something else that we need to look at and investigate. Once we've identified people that we would consider to be close contacts, and those are the individuals that are highest risk of going on to develop COVID-19, we need to contact them to ask them to self-isolate for a period of 14 days. You will be asked permission by the Test and Protect team if you want to share your name with those close contacts, and if you don't wish your name to be shared, it won't be shared. Again, it's really important for those people who get a phone call from an 0800 or an unknown number, if you pick up that call, because it could be the Test and Protect team contacting you to let you know that you have actually been a close contact of somebody who has developed COVID-19. So please do pick up these calls. It is this self-isolation of positive cases and close contacts that helps to break the chains of transmission, and that's vitally important to stop the increase in infections in our community, protecting our family, our friends and our loved ones. The Test and Protect team do a really fantastic job, but they can't do it without you, so please do be open and honest with them and have those conversations. Their key aim is to break the chain of transmission. It is nobody's fault that they get COVID-19. This is a really difficult time for everybody, and we all must remember that, and we all must be kind to each other. Each and every one of us needs to do our part, and you have all been doing a fantastic job in what has been a horrendously difficult number of months for everybody across our region. We have been in all this together. We need to continue to be in all this together. It's quite simply the fight of our generation. Thank you.